in this question, P matrix is given, A matrix is given, and a relation Q is given. We need to find this value. So to find this, first we need to find out the PP transpose, which is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, into its transpose, which is nothing but 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and root 3 by 2, which gives 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4, it is 1. It gets cancelled, so 0, and similarly this, and this becomes 1, which is nothing but the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now, in the given, like, we need to find out this P transpose Q 2005 and P. From this P transpose, Q is already given in the question. P transpose whole part 2005 and P. Now, this whole part 2005, let's write 3 times inside, like PA, P transpose, PA, P transpose, PA, P transpose, so on. And outside it is P. These all are again 2005 times. So here you can observe P transpose into P and P transpose into P. You will get as P transpose outside, it is already there. Inside you'll get it as PA. P transpose into P, we have already found out, which is I. Again A inside, again I, again A. Let it be here P transpose itself. This is again 2005 times and P. Now, any matrix multiplied with identity matrix, you'll get the same matrix, right? So it becomes P transpose P A into A into A P transpose 2005 times P. You will get it as P transpose P A cube P transpose and all other thing and P. So you can observe a pattern over here. You have taken three of things, like you have taken the three similar things over here and you got cube here, right? So just imagine if there were 2005 times. Obviously, you'll get 2005, right? So from that, we can write P transpose P A 2005, A part 2005, P transpose into P. Now, again, P transpose P, the same thing, and this is also the same thing. So we can write it as I A part 2005 and into I, which is nothing but A part 2005. This is the required answer to this question.